Hey everyone, today we're going to take a quick look at a 2015 Ford Mustang GT. I wouldn't get anything else but a GT. I thought about buying one of these, but I always kind of lean towards the German or the Japanese fun cars, but this one is pretty cool. It's got some nice upgrades on it from the previous owner. It has the 20-inch TSW forged wheels. It has an upgraded intake and cold air intake, both the intake and the cold air intake, which I haven't seen, but we'll pop the hood and take a look and see what's under there. And some nice iridescent racing stripes. And my favorite mod is the Remus active exhaust, which of course we're going to hear that. So yeah, let's check it out, start it up, and see what it's all about. One other thing, this car it sold first day on the market, so I guess it's pretty desirable, and I think it's the upgrades that kind of helped it along. But again, one day on the market and it was gone, and there's been tons of calls since then. The owner is coming to pick it up today. Anyway, enjoy.